I wanted you guys to see how purple it is outside. It's like purple. Hi, Delta. We see ya. We see ya. Hi, love bugs. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am joining Home Sweet Homes and a lovely group of ladies and gents, if they choose to join us, in Crocktober. We are going to share a crock pot recipe, slow cooker recipe, every Saturday. So this is a new one for me. It looked very appetizing. It looked appealing. What I love about cooking in my crock pot is I can toss it in before I leave for work and I come home and the majority of supper is done. So I'm very excited that I don't have to really do anything labor intensive for dinner tonight. I will make sides, and there's another step when I get home that I will have to tend to, but it's all good. We're gonna hop in. We're gonna make some crock pot chicken enchiladas. The original recipe does call for black olives. I am purposely leaving them out because besides my daughter, who no longer lives at home, I'm the only one who likes black olives. The husband kind of likes them. He could take or leave them, but the boys would, excuse me, pick them out one by one and give an 18-year-old opinion on it. So we're going to leave them out, but I am going to add green onions at the end. So I will leave a link to the original recipe down below if you want to check theirs out, and I'm going to show you my version. To start, you're going to need about a pound and a half of chicken. I have some frozen chicken thighs that I'm going to pop in my crock pot. I also have a can of diced green chilies, a can of diced tomatoes and green chilies, and a large can of red enchilada sauce. This is in the mild. I would prefer the hot or the medium, but it is what it is. I'm also going to put just a little bit of each of these seasonings: ground cumin, onion powder, chili powder, garlic powder, and chipotle chili pepper. That is something that you would usually use for taco seasoning, so I'm not going to overload it, and really go easy on the cumin because it's pretty strong. So I'm just going to toss it all in my crock pot. It is 8:15 now. I'm going to turn it on low and let it cook all day.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
That is what it looks like. I'm going to kind of stir that stuff around the frozen chicken and put my lid on, and I'm going to be off to work. And the hard part, quote unquote hard, of dinner is done. So I'm also going to serve this evening with some yellow rice and some corn. Yes, it's two different brands of corn. Corn is corn to me. Okay, I'm off to work, and I will see you guys when I get home. I hope you have a fantastic day. And by the way, happy Saturday to y'all. It's Thursday for me. Hey guys, I'm back from work. Man, I got some bags today. I think it's from all that staring at the computer screen all day. Yes, you see my groceries behind me. I need to put them away, but I wanted to get this going so that we can eat in an hour, because once I do what I'm fixing to do, dinner will be done in an hour. So I'm fixing to shred my chicken. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Then I have one of my bunches of green onions. I'm going to chop them up. I have my corn tortillas. I am going to slice 12 of these, and it's all going to go in the crock pot with some cheese. So let's hop to it. Okay, I forgot to turn my crock pot on this morning. So about 11, I got a hold of one of the twins and had them turn it on high for me. I'm going to use my meat chopper. It suggests to just shred it with forks. I usually use tongs. I went to get my tongs and this guy came out, so I'm just going to use it because I have it and it works wonders. I love this thing. One of the most inexpensive tools that I use a lot of. Now, I had a smaller can than the original recipe called for, but you guys remember I added in the chilies and the diced tomatoes. I'm so glad I did. This smells amazing. I don't know about you guys, I love enchiladas. And if I can find a slow cooker easy alternative, let's go. All right, so that is done. So I'm gonna chop up the green onions and the tortillas and show you what we do next. Editing Sheila here. It is the next day. My hair is a wreck. I have been outside. Just kind of showed y'all a little glimpse. We are getting tropical storm winds and some rain from Delta as it's still out in the Gulf. We're praying for Louisiana. I hope I hate that they're taking another storm. And I hate when I saw in the news this morning, they have so much debris left from cleaning up after Laura and Beta that it is just devastating. Totally devastating. All that stuff's fixing to be flying around at 100 miles an hour, and that's kind of scary. The recipe was good. My family would try it again, which is always a plus sign. There's a few things I would tweak. When I make an enchilada casserole, I always include just a taco seasoning packet. You guys saw me at the beginning of the recipe add some seasonings that normally go in taco seasoning packets, but I don't think it was enough. And the tortillas were good. It gave it a great flavor, but I wouldn't cook them as long. I wouldn't cook them as long. That would be the definitely two changes I would try first. Yeah, but it was good. It was very good. It's definitely on my radar to perfect. We like a lot of flavor in our house though. So if you do not like a lot of spice and a lot of bold flavors, then try the recipe as is and then just build on it from your taste buds. That's exactly what I would suggest. But definitely give it a shot. It was great. I love playing with crockpot recipes because when I find the ones that work so well, it is amazing for weeknight dinners or even dinners on the weekend when I really don't want to put much effort in the kitchen. There are those times. So, yeah, I guess our family gave it, as a group, gave it 3 out of 5 stars. So take it for what it's worth. Might find a different recipe that's similar and kind of compare. But that's that. So I will see you guys again next Saturday for another Crocktober recipe. But you will see me lots before then. And definitely go check out Home with the Holmes. Oh no, Home Sweet Homes. Sorry, girl. Your channel, her channel will be linked down below. The playlist will be linked down below as well on her channel. And if you participate, make sure you go to her video, let her know so she'll pop your video on as well. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.